Hey y'all, welcome. Thanks for joining me today. So today I am going to make a little fun, cute, inexpensive project for my vision board. And this is one that I've already started working on right here. And it says fun. If you have a vision board and you want to jazz it up a little bit, this is a cute, inexpensive idea. Everything I'm using today I got from Hobby Lobby. So this is the one I'm going to start working on right now. And instead of putting like little post-it notes or just writing out or spelling out what you want your vision board to say and stuff like that, I thought this would be a cute, inexpensive way to jazz it up a little bit and add a little personality to my board. So all you need is these right here, and I got these from Hobby Lobby. They come in a pack of, I want to say it's a pack of 8 or 9, I'm not sure. This is the cardstock I chose to use. If you've seen any of my previous videos, I like the weathered rustic look. So that's kind of what I'm going for here today. I already glued the cardstock to the board. Here it is. So what I'm going to do after I finish the whole project is go around. I don't want this to be a long video, so I'm not going to do it right now. But I'm going to go around with the sandpaper or sanding block and take care of the edges so they're nice and smooth. And plus it'll add to that weathered rustic look that I'm looking for. So let's get started. So I tried to go ahead and already design it ahead of time so that this would not be a long scope. So the adhesive that I'm going to use today is liquid glass. I love this stuff right here, liquid glass. I got this one close to my heart, but I do believe they sell it in Michael's and Hobby Lobby. So it's a little tricky to work with, but I love it because it adheres so well. So it's my go-to adhesive. I do use the little stick pin just to loosen it up a little bit. So right now I'm going to go ahead and adhere the ribbon. I'm going to dab some of this on here and then add this to the project. So if you're looking for a cool way to jazz up your vision board, make it a little different from what you're normally seeing it. If you have a little crafty board, even if you're not a crafter, this is still very simple and easy to do. So I adhered it here onto the project, and now I'm just using the scissors to cut off what's hanging over. And so there you have it. Ta-da! Okay, let's throw that away. And now I'm taking a different type of textured ribbon and I'm going to adhere that over top of that one. Dab a little bit. This right here, I love this glue, this liquid glass adhesive, because it works well with embellishments as well. So it will hold if you don't want to pull out your glue gun or anything like that, and you're looking for adhesive that'll last and not over time fall apart. This one works great. So now that I have that on here, I'm wasting my materials, y'all. Look at all this ribbon I'm about to cut off that I probably could have used. Normally I don't do that, but I'm just gonna chalk that up this time as a loss. So now I have this other different type adhered on top of the other one, the first one. And I guess while I'm at it, I can go ahead and tie the ribbon. I'll go ahead and double knot the ribbon. I love this ribbon, y'all. Okay, so this ribbon, where I got to get this from, I purchased this a long time ago from Archivers. I don't know, I don't think they're still open. They're no longer open, but I think it's so cute. I like the polka dots in there. Let's go ahead and cut this. So I'm just going to cut it at an angle. Then I'm going to go ahead and add some hemp. This is the hemp that I'm using. I got this from Hobby Lobby. You can see that comes in 4 different assortment of colors. And I'm using the brown, the one with the brown accents in there. And I'm adding this so I can hang it. Now, you don't have to use this for a vision board. You can use this as some wall hanging decor in your room. Put your initials on there. Hang it on the wall. What else? You can put your whole name if you find small enough letters. If that's more your style. Let's see here. You can use it if you're going to use it to spell out your name. Say you have a short name, or you can just buy 2 packs and put 1 letter per chipboard and hang it across the wall. Oh, you know what? I made this too long, so I'm going to cut this. I don't need it to be that long to hang. I'm just messing up today. I am not on it today. Pay attention. Okay, so let's redo this. Let's see. Make it a little shorter. Yeah. Okay, so this one I'm just going to put the initials of my business, which is Tutt Scrapbooking, so TS. And I don't know yet. Yeah, I'm going to definitely put this on the vision board, I think. Let's see. Okay, so tie this up on here. And I used this same adhesive for everything on that has to do with this project, even to adhere the paper. Now this is liquid adhesive, so you do have to make sure you don't go overboard because you don't want your paper to wrinkle or crinkle up. So there, isn't that cute? You can even put a little photograph on there. Maybe you have a photograph and you use a circle hole punch to punch out the face or the image of your photo, and you can put your photo, add your photo on here. Okay, so now I'm going to get to add the initials. Oh no, I'll add the flower first. So this is the flower I'm going to use. Isn't it cute? It goes right along with that rustic theme. And this is, I don't know if this is plastic or metal, but this will work on either or. So I'm going to dab, first let me see, where am I going to put it? I think I'm going to put it over here to the corner on the side at the top. So I'm just going to dab a little bit of this on here. And this is where this gets tricky. See, it dried up that quick. I should have put the top on there. So I'm going to punch the hole, use the stick pin, loosen that up a little bit. And I should be all good now. Yep. All right. This is a cute craft for your kids to make too. It's very simple. Okay. So I'm going to hold that there for a second, and then let's see where I'm going to put this. Tutt Scrapbooking. And I may add some pearls or something to jazz it up a little bit more. And I think I'm going to have the S hang off of the project a little bit, just to do a little something different this time. Let's see. And even though these letters have adhesive already, again, I want my project not to fall apart. So I've used this adhesive for a few years now, and every time I use it, no matter what the project is, it doesn't fall apart like some of the other projects I've made in the past using different types of adhesive. So I'm gonna stick with this one. Let's see here. All right, so this is what I have so far. Show you up close. You can use this as a little creative door hanger as well. Do something a little jazzy. Maybe put some Z's on there for when you're sleeping to hang on your door, your room door. Spa time, things like that. A little cute. And so, let's see. Now that I have both of these done, I think it needs a little more. So I'm going to add, these are from Close to My Heart. These are pearls. So I think I'm going to add some of these on there. I don't know if I should go with white or brown. I think I'm going to add white maybe. Let's see. See how quick and easy that was? So just pick out your favorite cardstock. Grab some ribbon, some hemp or twine. Where's my X-Acto knife? Some hemp or twine. And some flowers, or you can use buttons, any type of embellishments you like, you want. Oh, this is not, I'm going to use this. This is like, you can't tell, I don't think, in the video, but this is a, ooh, I lost that one. It's like a light brown taupe color. I think I'm going to put one, let's see. Oh, I can put 3 of them right here. So I'll show you, and I'll even put some glue on here. Some liquid glass, just to make sure these don't fall off as well. I like to use the X-Acto knife because now I don't have to worry about it falling as much as I would have if I used my fingers trying to hold it. And then I can just put it on the paper, put my finger on top of it, and slide it. See how easy that is? A lot of people stay away from these because of how difficult it is to grab a hold of it and place it in the right spot. But if you use the X-Acto knife with it, it doesn't take that long and it's not that difficult at all. So look at that. See, that made it, that added that little extra oomph I was looking for. Okay. I don't want to do too much, make it too busy. So let's see. I want to add something to this one. Now this one, this pearl already on here is like a blue, a light blue. So I don't know if I want to do a different color. Let's see. What y'all think? Let's see. Maybe do one right underneath the U. I'm thinking I'm gonna do one right, and I think I'm gonna do the dark brown because of the brown surrounding the other pearl. And I'm gonna do it right underneath the U in fun. Look, the adhesive dried up already, so get my trusty little stick pen. Okay. Put a little dot of this here. And add this there. Now if you all have any suggestions to jazz up or add a little extra creativeness to a vision board, please comment below. So that's that. Right there underneath, and I think I'm gonna put another smaller size one below that one. Smaller size embellishment. Let's see. Same color. And I got all of these supplies, I think I mentioned it earlier, but just in case, from Hobby Lobby. Alright, and you know what, I didn't put glue underneath the first one of these, so just to make sure, see that came up too easy, so that would have fell apart soon. Okay, and voila, think I'm done. I don't know, I may look at it in a few minutes, wake up tomorrow, look at it. Oh, you know what, I have these stickers I think I might add. There. So there you have it. Easy, quick, inexpensive craft to jazz up your craft room, bedroom, vision board. Mine will be going on the vision board. cute. Thanks for watching.